How to turn on and off sensitive content on your Twitter. Twitter has three categories for sensitive content basically. One is violence, the number two is adult content, and number three is hateful content. If you want to turn it on or turn it off, you can do so by following our tutorials here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this. So anyway, let's go. First off, open your phone and go to Twitter application. And from your feed, go to your magic dust button on the top right, click it and choose view content preferences. From there, click it and choose search settings. Toggle on and off your sensitive content via clicking the toggle button next to hide sensitive content. For example, I have mine turned on currently, so I cannot view sensitive content such as adult content, pornography or violence, body being buried or anything like that. If I want to turn it off, I'll just toggle it, click it, and if I want to turn it back on, I can click it again. And that's how you toggle sensitive content on Twitter. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers, take care.